Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to print contacts via the Reporter plugin. So to do this thing you have to install both Reporter plugin and Contacts plugin from RedmineUP. Okay, so we are going to our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com, and log in first via the credentials admin. Alright, so we go to one project, in our case Agile plugin demo project, and create some new issue. We'll name it, for example, printing the contacts via the Reporter plugin from RedmineUP. Okay, so the main part of this is that into the ticket itself we have to add contacts here. So we add, for example, 3 people. This is Steven Ballmer, David Beckham and Helge Babhan, and also we add some companies as well: Sunflower, Apple, and one more, for example, Microsoft. Okay, so yeah, we have added these companies and contacts here. So the other thing is that we have to create our Reporter plugin template. So we go to plugins, then find the Reporter, and here on new template we just copy paste the example that we have provided on our article. Of course you could extend it as you wish and in accordance with your needs. You could add more details, you could delete, do anything. This is just an example code to give you some directions what it should be for printing contacts via the Reporter plugin. Okay, so we name it, for example, printing contacts. Orientation could be portrait or landscape. It is also up to you what could be. Let's leave it to be a portrait for now. So we paste the example source code here and create it. Okay, so here are our contacts and companies into the ticket itself, and now we click on these dots here and then reports and then printing contacts. So when we click on preview we see that we have contacts that are listed: Sunflower Ltd, David Beckham, Helge Babhan, Apple Inc, Microsoft and Steven Ballmer. So yeah, this was printing contacts via the Reporter plugin from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from our site. Bye bye for now.